Hello, just a quick update here. This is some 3/4 inch PVC that I use for general construction for the mech, including the levers inside the cockpit for the clutch and the transmission speed and the brakes. I'm going to be topping the PVC with some nifty little ball labels. You can see this is a 3D print for the brake lever. We've got on, we've got off, and we've got the nice label right on top. And it's nice to grab because it's a sphere, and the letters don't really get in the way too much. On the other end, we've got the clutch lever, just in case I feel like not having a pedal for the clutch and having a lever engaged instead. We've got clutch spelled out all nice and neat. We've got the on and the off, and a nice sphere, easy to grab. And these have a little mounting hole on the bottom, so just drill a hole through that into the PVC, put in a small little bolt, and bada boom, all mounted. So, until next time, bye bye.